Welcome to the IWF biannual event where we at Osborne Wood Products are here to show you, our customers, a great variety of products that we're introducing this year and some products we've brought to you year after year. With me is Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing. Jeremy, would you share with us about the booth and what we have to share today?
Sure. Great. Friends, if you're in the neighborhood and you're coming to IWF today, please make sure that you come by and check us out. You're going to find a lot of things that you come to know and love about Osborne Wood Products, a number of turnings, carvings, moldings, etc. But we're going to show off some new products today. We have some information and literature that you might be interested in. A quick walk through our booth. We have lots of variety of our wood species that are standard offerings from Osborne. We have our metal legs, we have our turnings, our ropes, our Queen Anne's, we have our rigged legs, we have our mission legs, we have some new products, we have corbels. Also in the booth today, you're going to find our caster collection, you're going to find some examples of molding, some furniture feed, and even the acrylic collection. So if you're here and you're interested in decorative component parts, please come by and see us. We'll be looking forward to seeing you here.